Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Blocking an unwanted sender on Yahoo Mail using your iPhone is a quick process that helps keep your inbox clean. First, locate the Yahoo Mail app on your home screen and tap to open it. Find an email from the person you want to block and tap on it to open the message. Once the email is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen for 3 horizontal dots labeled More. Tap those dots to bring up a menu of options. Select the spam option from this list. A pop-up menu will appear asking if you want to mark the email as spam or mark it as spam and block the sender. Choose the option to mark as spam and block. This action moves the current email to your spam folder and ensures all future messages from this specific email address are automatically blocked. If you want to manage your blocked list later, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the app. Go into Settings and then select Filters. Here you can see who you have blocked and make changes if necessary. Using this method is the most effective way to stop annoying emails directly from your mobile device. It prevents unwanted clutter without needing a computer. Always remember that blocking a sender is permanent unless you manually remove them from your settings later. This simple trick saves you time and keeps your personal communication organized every single day. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best results. This ensures that the blocking feature works correctly every time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.